Hi, kindergartners. Our assignment for today is something new and different than we've ever done before. Okay, now I know that we've used our book creator app before to make books and to make stories and things like that, but today we're going to make a sight word book that we get to keep adding to each time we learn a new sight word. So the first thing that we're going to do is when you are on your iPad, you have to go to the Book Creator app. If you look up here in my corner, you're going to see this little square, this rainbow square. That's what it's going to look like on your iPad. Go ahead and click that and open it up. Once you have it opened up, it's going to look something like this, okay, where you can see all the books that you have created so far. But we want to create a new one. So we're going to come up to this orange rectangle that says New Book and click on it. Okay, now you can do any one of these top three. You can do a rectangle, a tall rectangle, you can do a square, or you can do a long rectangle. It's up to you. Today, Miss Shadi's going to do a square one. Okay, we are going to make our sight word book. So I have to come up to my orange plus sign, and I have to write my pen, grab my pen. Okay, I have to make my title. I'm going to pick I like this kind of fun rainbow one. I'm going to write my title on this one, and I'm just going to call it Sight Words. Okay, now remember, when we're reading a story and when we have the cover, we always see the author's name. So go ahead and write your name down at the bottom, because you are the author of our story. Okay? After you have your name written and your title, then we hit the done. Okay? Voila, there's our cover. Now we're going to hit the arrow, just like we're turning a page in our book. After you have the page turned, then you're going to create your first page that has a sight word on it. On this page, you have to find one of the words that I have listed and write it. So we have to go back to our orange plus sign, find the pen, and you're going to write the first word. So I'm going to pick the blue color. Okay, my first word is the. So I have to write the word the. When I'm done writing it, I'm going to hit the done button, but I'm not done with this page. Okay, on every page you have to write the sight word, you have to say the sight word, and you have to use the sight word in a sentence or in a phrase. So here's what it would look like. I have to hit the orange plus sign again, and I have to go down to this one that looks like a microphone. It says record. You have to record your voice. So we're going to click that. We're going to come up here to this orange rectangle that says start recording. We're going to click it, and here's what it should sound like. Something like it. The cat is little. Okay, now you notice when I was done saying the word and using it in a sentence or in a phrase, I had to go up to this white rectangle that said stop recording. Okay, then I come down here. I want to listen to this before I use it or delete it. I have to see if I like it, so I'm going to hit the play button. I think I like it. I'm going to hit the blue use recording button. If I didn't like it and I wanted to try it again, I would hit delete and try it again. Okay, so I like it. I'm going to hit the blue button. Then when I see this, I know that I have something I need to listen to. When Miss Shadi comes to look at your book, I just have to hit it. And I'll be able to hear you. This is also going to help you when you are going through your book. Okay, now this is all that I need to see on a page. You write the word, you say the word, and you use the word in a sentence. But if you look at our word list, you see words that might be like man. So when I go to make my next page, and maybe I'm going to do the word man, I'm going to grab my pen, find the color that I want. I'm going to write the word man. M-A-N. A, N. And after I have the word written, I remember I have to record myself saying it. But another thing that I can do is I can draw a picture to help me remember. When I want to draw a picture, I go back up to this orange plus sign, grab my pen, and this time I'm going to draw a picture. So maybe I just want my black. Okay. I am going to draw a man. And there's my man to help me remember. Oh, that's the word man. Okay, boys and girls, you have 15 words to do. I can't wait to see how they turn out. Please let me know if you have any questions at all. See you soon.